Do we lose our sweet tooth with age? The question of whether we lose our sweet tooth as we age is a fascinating one, rooted in the interplay of biology, psychology, and lifestyle changes. From childhood, most of us develop a strong preference for sweets, but as we grow older, some people report that their craving for sugary treats diminishes. The shift in our relationship with sweetness is not always straightforward. While some individuals notice a reduction in their desire for sweets as they age, others may continue to enjoy sugar well into old age. One of the most significant factors in the changing sweet tooth is the alteration in taste perception as we grow older. Taste buds, located on the tongue and the soft palate, play a crucial role in how we experience food. These tiny receptors send signals to the brain when they come into contact with different flavors: sweet, salty, bitter, sour, and umami. As we age, the number of functioning taste buds diminishes, leading to a gradual loss of taste sensitivity. The decline in taste sensitivity doesn't happen uniformly across all flavors. Studies suggest that sweet and salty tastes tend to be more affected than bitter or sour ones. This means that, over time, it may take more sugar or salt to produce the same pleasurable taste sensation we experienced in youth. For some older adults, this can result in a decreased desire for sweet foods because they no longer taste as appealing. On the other hand, others may seek out even sweeter treats to compensate for the dulling of their sweet taste receptors. The biology behind sweet cravings is complex, and much of it has to do with the brain's reward system. When we consume sugary foods, the brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This reaction is particularly strong in children, whose growing bodies have a higher energy demand, making sweets an efficient source of calories. Over time, the brain adapts to these stimuli, and some research suggests that the dopamine response to sugar may decrease as we age. As we grow older, our bodies undergo metabolic changes that can also influence our desire for sweet foods. For instance, as we age, insulin sensitivity typically decreases, making it more difficult for our cells to use glucose effectively. This could explain why some older adults experience less intense sugar cravings, as their bodies are not as efficient at processing sugar. Additionally, hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which regulate hunger and satiety, can fluctuate with age, potentially influencing how much sugar we crave. Beyond biology, psychological and lifestyle factors also play a crucial role in shaping our sweet tooth over time. The dietary choices we make throughout life are often influenced by habits, emotions, and social contexts. In youth, many of us associate sweets with celebrations, comfort, and rewards, but these associations may change as we grow older. Life events, such as health concerns, increased responsibilities, and changing social dynamics, can alter how we relate to food, including sugary treats. For example, older adults who develop health conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, or obesity may consciously reduce their sugar intake due to medical advice. Over time, this intentional reduction can lead to a natural decline in the desire for sweet foods. Furthermore, many people become more health conscious as they age, opting for diets lower in sugar and processed foods, which can result in a diminished craving for sweets. Emotional eating, a common factor in sugar consumption, may also evolve with age. While younger individuals might reach for sweets as a form of stress relief or emotional comfort, older adults might turn to different coping mechanisms, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. These shifts in behavior can contribute to a reduction in sweet cravings. Cultural and societal factors can also impact our relationship with sweetness over time. In many cultures, childhood is associated with indulgence in sweets, while adulthood brings more focus on balanced, nutritious meals. As we age, we may internalize societal expectations around healthy eating, which can lead to a decrease in the consumption of sugary foods. Social norms around aging also play a role in shaping our eating habits. For example, older adults may feel pressure to eat responsibly or to set a good example for younger generations, which can lead to a reduction in sweet consumption. Additionally, social isolation, which can affect older adults, may reduce the occasions for sharing sweets, such as birthday parties, holidays, or family gatherings. Conversely, in some cultures, older adults are encouraged to indulge in sweets, particularly during festive occasions or as a form of self-care. The availability and accessibility of sugary foods in these social contexts can also influence whether we maintain a sweet tooth as we grow older. Health concerns play a significant role in the evolution of our sweet tooth. As we age, our risk of developing chronic health conditions like type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and obesity increases, and sugar intake is often linked to these conditions. Many healthcare providers recommend reducing sugar consumption to manage these risks, and individuals who prioritize their health may follow this advice, resulting in a natural reduction in their sweet cravings. On the flip side, some individuals may continue to crave sweets into old age, and for them, finding balance becomes crucial. Overconsumption of sugar can lead to a host of health issues, particularly in older adults whose bodies are less able to process it efficiently. Finding healthier alternatives, such as fruit or low-sugar desserts, can help satisfy the craving without compromising health. Genetics also plays a role in our taste preferences, including our affinity for sweets. Some people are genetically predisposed to have a stronger preference for sugar, and this tendency may persist throughout their lives. Studies have shown that variations in certain genes can affect taste perception and reward pathways in the brain, influencing how much we enjoy sweet flavors. For these individuals, the sweet tooth may remain strong even as they age, though external factors like health concerns and lifestyle changes may still play a role in moderating their sugar intake. The question of whether we lose our sweet tooth with age does not have a simple, one-size-fits-all answer. For some, the decline in the sweet tooth is a natural part of aging, influenced by health concerns and lifestyle changes. For others, the love of sugary treats may persist, though often in a more moderated form. Ultimately, the answer to this question is as individual as our relationship with food itself.